In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow with N8N. Before we dive in, please ensure that you have both a Webflow account and an N8N account already set up. You'll need access to both of these platforms in order to create the connection we're focusing on today. To get started, the first thing you want to do is log into your N8N dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for building workflows and integrating different applications together, including Webflow. Once you're logged in, go ahead and create a new workflow. Be sure to give it a clear and descriptive name that you'll easily recognize later. Having a well-named workflow can save you time, especially when you start building more intricate setups. Next, you need to add a new node to your workflow. You can do this quite simply by clicking the plus button or using the search bar to find what you're looking for. In this case, type in Webflow and select the Webflow node. This node acts as a bridge between N8N and Webflow, making it a crucial part of our setup. When you add the Webflow node, you'll need to connect it to your Webflow account. Normally, connecting apps can involve a bit of back and forth with API keys, but N8N simplifies the process by allowing you to log in directly. Look for the Connect or Sign In option on the interface and click it. At this point, a login window will appear. Here, you'll need to enter your Webflow email and password. After signing in, N8N will request permission to access your Webflow data. This is a standard security measure, and you'll need to click Allow to proceed. Rest assured, N8N takes your privacy seriously, and this step is purely to enable seamless integration between your accounts. And just like that, your Webflow account is now linked to N8N. The good news is that N8N will automatically save your credentials. This means that once you've set this up, you won't have to log in again the next time you want to include Webflow in a workflow. You'll have immediate access to your Webflow projects, streamlining your future automation tasks. Within the Webflow node settings, you'll see a drop-down list displaying your available sites. Simply select the site you wish to work with, and you're all set to begin your automation journey. Thanks for following along, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more of this content. Happy automating!